Good morning, it's Tuesday the 1st of March and this is your daily outlook. The dollar appears stronger as oil prices ease. The US dollar appears firmer today on the currency markets ahead of Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke's speech before the Senate Banking Committee later today. Speculators expect Bernanke to continue being cautious about the US economy and the high unemployment. Investors are focusing on Bernanke's words, hoping to get a clear view on the central bank's plans regarding the interest rates and quantitative easing programme. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar advanced today, climbing as high as 82.22 from 81.72. The euro fell against the stronger dollar today, possibly due to yesterday's data revealing January's consumer price index in Europe fell more than the market expected, but it's still above the central bank's target of 2%. The euro is trading below the 138 level, falling as low as 137.84 today after hitting a one-month high at 138.54 yesterday. Investors expect Europe's manufacturing PMI and unemployment rate released later today. The Australian dollar edged lower after the Reserve Bank of Australia decided to keep the country's interest rates unchanged at 4.75%. The statement that followed was that inflation is expected to stay within the central bank's target and there's no rush to raise the rates at this point. The lack of a bullish tone in RBA's statement disappointed investors and weighed on the Aussie. Against the dollar, the Aussie fell as low as 101.48 from an 8-week high of 102.01. Later, the Aussie recovered some of its losses, supported by data showing the country's retail sales increased more than the market expected in January. The pair jumped as high as 101.78 and the pair was last trading at 101.65. The US dollar is under pressure against the Canadian dollar, weighed by rising oil prices. The pair plummeted to 0.9705 from 0.9788 trading yesterday. Eyes now turn to Canada's interest rate decision later today, and speculators expect the rate to remain unchanged at 1%. Oil eased on reports saying that oil supplies from Libya resume and Saudi Arabia increased its oil exports. Oil fell as low as $96.32 a barrel, and then gold prices rose today, supported by Middle East unrest. Also, the precious metal rose to $1,415.24 an ounce. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 137.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 137.70. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 82 with a preference to enter into short positions at 81.95. Today's calendar of market movers: Europe unemployment rate in January is forecast to rise to 10%, and Canada interest rate decision is forecast to keep interest rates unchanged at 1%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 trading up 0.56% and the Dow was up 0.79%. European bourses were mixed, with the FTSE down 0.12%, the DAX was up 1.21% and the CAC was up 0.98%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.22% and the Hang Seng was up 0.06%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.